Welcome to AgriTech Smart. Today, we take you on a captivating journey into the heart of Asia's tropical agriculture, the world of jackfruit. A fruit so massive it can reach up to 30 kilograms, yet so delicate that farmers must understand its every detail to grow it successfully. From grafted seedlings in quiet orchards to high-tech factories producing golden, crispy snacks, this is the full story behind one of Asia's most iconic fruits. Thailand is one of Asia's leading producers of jackfruit, with orchards stretching across warm, humid provinces like Nakhon Pathom, Ratchaburi, and Chanthaburi. The country's tropical monsoon climate, marked by long sunshine hours and abundant rainfall, creates ideal conditions for jackfruit trees to flourish. These towering trees can produce hundreds of fruits annually, making them a valuable crop for both local markets and export-oriented growers. Over the past decade, Thailand's jackfruit industry has gained strong momentum thanks to rising international demand for plant-based foods and natural tropical flavors. Young jackfruit has become especially popular in Western markets as a meat substitute, while ripe jackfruit is used in snacks, dried fruit products, and canned goods. This surge in global consumption has encouraged Thai growers to adopt better pruning techniques, drip irrigation systems, and improved fertilization programs to maintain consistent fruit size and quality. Jackfruit production in Thailand still carries the charm of traditional orchard management, yet it is increasingly linked to modern post-harvest systems. Farmers carefully monitor tree health, manage pests organically, and support fruit growth with protective wraps to prevent insect damage. Once harvested, the fruit enters a streamlined supply chain involving washing stations, grading lines, and chilled transportation. This combination of traditional cultivation and advanced logistics has enabled Thailand to become a trusted supplier of high-quality jackfruit for regional and global markets. The journey begins in the nursery. Long before any fruit appears, farmers carefully select grafted seedlings, the foundation of a productive orchard. Across Thailand, India, Vietnam, and other tropical regions, growers choose elite graft varieties that inherit the sweetness, texture, and resilience of the parent tree. These young grafts, usually around 30 to 40 centimeters tall, are spaced widely across orchards, often 8 to 12 meters apart, giving each tree room to grow into a heavy, fruit-bearing giant. Warm temperatures between 27 and 32 degrees Celsius and consistent rainfall create ideal growing conditions, allowing jackfruit to thrive naturally across Asia's tropical belt. During the first years of growth, farmers closely monitor the young trees. Watering schedules are carefully managed during dry seasons, and mulch is placed around the base to retain soil moisture. Pruning is essential, not only to remove diseased or damaged branches, but also to shape a strong canopy capable of supporting fruits that can weigh as much as a small child. In many modern orchards, sensors and drip irrigation systems help farmers adjust water supply based on real-time soil data, improving growth efficiency while conserving resources. As the orchard expands, a new challenge emerges. Pests and diseases. Fruit flies, aphids, mealybugs, stem rot, and leaf blight are the most common threats. Farmers deploy a combination of natural predators, pheromone traps, organic pesticides, and strict orchard sanitation. Some farms also recycle leftover plant fibers and leaves into organic compost, creating a sustainable, circular system that enriches the soil naturally. Thanks to these efforts, jackfruit trees begin to bear commercial-level fruits after about 3 to 4 years. When harvest season arrives, the orchards come alive with activity. Determining the perfect moment to pick a jackfruit is a skill refined over generations. Farmers look for specific signals: a shift from deep green to a slightly yellow-brown hue, softened spikes, a sweeter aroma, and a hollow sound when tapped. Once the fruit is ready, workers use sharp knives or long sickles to cut it from the tree. Because the fruit is so heavy, cloth slings or padded baskets are often used to lower it safely to the ground. In 2024, Thailand alone produced more than 500,000 tons of jackfruit, a remarkable example of how traditional knowledge and modern techniques can flourish together. The journey then moves from the orchard to the factory, where fresh jackfruit transforms into a beloved snack. Upon arrival, each fruit is washed thoroughly to remove dirt and natural latex. Only the best quality fruits are selected for processing. Inside the facility, workers or automated machines peel away the thick green rind to reveal the golden yellow flesh, rich in fiber, vitamins, and natural sugars. Each edible piece is separated with care, while fibers and seeds are gathered to be turned into organic fertilizer, completing a sustainable cycle from soil to fruit and back again. To prepare the fruit for drying, the flesh is cut into uniform pieces. One important rule is strictly followed: the freshly cut fruit is never washed with water, as this would dilute its natural sweetness. Instead, the pieces go straight into a flash freezing chamber at -35°C. When a thin layer of frost forms on the surface, the fruit is ready for the next step: vacuum frying. Vacuum frying is one of the most advanced technologies used in tropical fruit processing today. Under low pressure and low temperature, water evaporates quickly while the fruit retains its vibrant color and up to 70% of its original nutrients. State-of-the-art facilities can dry up to 200 kilograms of jackfruit per hour. After vacuum frying, the fruit enters an oil separation system to remove excess oil, ensuring a crisp texture and long shelf life. The result is a light, fragrant, golden snack enjoyed across Asia, Europe, and North America. From the first moment a grafted seedling is planted to the final stage of packaging in a modern processing facility, the journey of jackfruit is a fascinating blend of tradition, innovation, and sustainability. It reflects the dedication of farmers, the evolution of agricultural technology, and the global appreciation for this extraordinary tropical fruit. Have you ever tasted dried jackfruit before? What was your experience like? Share your thoughts in the comments. Which topic should we explore next on AgriTech Smart? Don't forget to share it in the comments below.